Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox PLS Donate. This popular game lets you set up a virtual stand to receive donations from other players. First, you need to join the game and locate an available stand. Once claimed, your stand becomes your personal space to showcase items for sale. It's a fantastic way to engage with the community and potentially earn some Robux. Let's dive into setting up your first donation item. To receive donations, you must create game passes. Head over to the Roblox website's Create section. Here, you can design your game pass by uploading a unique image and giving it a descriptive name. Crucially, you'll set the Robux price for each pass. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% commission, so you will receive 70% of each donation. Choose prices that encourage generosity. Once your game passes are ready, it's time to personalize your stand in PLS Donate. You can customize its colors and design to make it visually appealing. More importantly, craft a clear and engaging message that explains why you are seeking donations. A well-designed stand with a heartfelt message significantly increases your chances of receiving generous contributions from fellow players. Make it stand out. After players purchase your game passes, the donated Robux will be processed. It's important to know that these funds do not appear instantly. They usually take between 3 and 7 days to clear and be added to your account balance. Once available, you can use your earned Robux to buy new items, access premium experiences, or even create your own content on the Roblox platform. Enjoy your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.